From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
Our next guest is from a company that's making a lot of very cool products that we have begun paying a lot more attention to, and I think you should as well. They're dedicated to providing high quality yet affordable keys there that make a big difference. Networking solutions, for example, including network security cameras and all sorts of great wireless devices. The Director of Global Marketing for TrendNet is Zak Wood. Zak, welcome into Tomorrow. How are you?
Thanks for having me, Dave. Doing great.
It's a pleasure. We couldn't not have you when we find more and more cool things that are going on. For example, tell me about the things you're showing here at CES, and those listening on the radio know that you can come and see the website, the video with Zak's interview and all the products we're about to show on video at intotomorrow.com.
Well, I brought a few wireless devices and a power line device here for all of your viewers, and I think they're going to be very excited about it. Now, this show, really what we're seeing is a convergence of rich media into the house.
Yeah.
Streaming HD into the house, downloading large files, playing games online. So everyone in their home, they're really getting connected, and they really need the bandwidth and the support and the speed to maintain that quality connection that they expect. So I brought a router here. It's our TEW691GR. We actually launched this 6 months ago, so I brought it just to accompany the adapter, but it's the first ever 450 megabit per second router. 450
megabit per second. We don't even have that speeds going into most homes. So how do you take advantage of it?
That's tremendous. So, many homes have about 60 megabit per second going into the home if you buy an upper end connection. So if you get 60 megabit per second, the 300 megabit per second routers will actually have real throughput in the 50 to 60 range.
Yeah.
Now you get the 450 megabit per second router, and you attach it to our new adapter, you're getting real throughput of 150 megabit per second. Now you say, well, do you really need this? Yes, you need this.
Yes, with our content, our videos, all the music, everything else we have to share.
So much sharing and streaming and downloading, everything's going on. So we were first to market with the router, and then at the show we're launching the very first 450 megabit per second wireless adapter. So this adapter, when connected with the router, they transmit speeds at the theoretical maximum of 450 megabit per second. What you're really going to see is 150 megabit per second of real speed. The product's really, really simple. It has a gigabit port on the back, so you connect it to your Xbox or your DVR or your PlayStation or your network TV, or to a switch that would connect all those together. And if your router has a WPS button, a Wi-Fi protected setup button, you just go over to the router, press the button, and then...
So you tap that button?
That's the on-off button, but very close. There's only one other button. So we just tap this button on the top.
Okay.
So you press both buttons. What they do is they auto-synchronize the security. So they exchange encryption codes and connect right away. You just touch two buttons. Now you're connected. Now you can see your internet. You can stream video to your media center over the internet. So we're very, very excited about this product. This product really changes the wireless space. It's really quite a revolutionary product, and it really sets a new standard for wireless connection in the home.
And that extra security that's so easy to incorporate. I'm loving that. And for those that were looking at the TrendNet router on camera and wondering why 3 antennas, what's the background real fast with that?
So yes, 450 megabit per second typically has 3 antennas and 3 radio signals per antenna.
Right.
300 megabit per second often would have 3 antennas and 2 radio signals per antenna. So instead of 6 total radio signals, you have 9, and if you do the math, then you could see it's 50% more pipeline, a bigger pipeline to pass all that data through.
Gotcha. And
Yes.
you're going to certainly notice the difference right away. I mean, it's all about speed. It's all about capacity to be moving our data now. And we don't want to wait, and that's fine. We shouldn't have to.
If you want the highest performing wireless device, this is it on the market right now. This will not be your bottleneck in your networked home. You put this in, and you'll experience seamless connectivity.
And it's available now. And for how much?
Correct. The router is available now. It's priced around $150 depending on the retailer. Our adapter will be available in 2 weeks. So it'll be available from all online and all of our retail partners. The MSRP is $150, but I think it's going to settle down around a $120 range.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. So very affordable, and you're going to love all of that speed and that capability too. In our
Absolutely.
remaining minute, I want to get into the TPL 401E.
Okay, yes. So this is a Powerline product. So Powerline transmits data over your electrical system. So you can see the plug on this side. So you plug it into your electrical system, just like wireless does it over the air.
Right.
This does it over your electrical system. This is the first ever 500 megabit per second Powerline device. So all other Powerline was 200 megabit per second.
That's a heck of a jump.
It's quite a heck of a jump. And for many houses, if you're talking about a concrete building that may interfere with wireless, this is a great alternative to consider when considering networking your house. So you just plug this into any outlet. You can use up to 16 of them. So if you have 16 rooms that you'd like to get connected with, you can use up to 16 of them together.
And a similar, very easy way to push one button and you sync.
That's correct. This product is available right now, and it's listing for about $140.
Okay, terrific. And all available at TrendNet.com, where you're going to see a plethora of other products as well. So do check out what Zach and his team are up to. And, of course, you'll be one mouse click away from TrendNet.com when you hit us up at IntoTomorrow.com. Zach, thanks for bringing some great show and tell for the radio and our videos. And we've got to get you back on to talk about things we didn't even scratch the surface, security cameras, other very neat things that you guys are doing.
Thank you so much for having me.
It's our pleasure.